What's up, guys? Today I'll guide you through fixing the problem when your Roblox assets don't load properly during gameplay. This tutorial should be straightforward. First, ensure to change your browser's DNS settings. If you're using Google Chrome, click on the menu icon on the top right, then navigate to Privacy, Security, and find the Use Secure DNS option. Set it to Google Public DNS to connect Roblox through Google's public DNS server addresses, which might resolve the asset loading issue. Before launching a Roblox experience, close your browser settings and access your Windows control panel. Search for it in your Start menu search. Go to Network and Internet Network and Sharing Center and select your connection. Navigate to your network connection properties, double-click Internet Protocol version 4, and choose to use the following DNS server addresses. Set your preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8.8 and your alternate DNS server to 8.8.8.4.4 to use Google's public DNS server addresses. Restart your PC to apply these changes. If the problem persists, it might be related to your graphics card driver. Ensure your GPU driver is up to date. NVIDIA users can use the GeForce Experience application to download and install the latest update automatically. AMD users can utilize the AMD Radeon software for the same purpose. For more detailed steps and information, check out the extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this tutorial helps you out. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.